Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. In this quick and powerful tutorial, we will learn how to remove all subscript and superscript formatting at once in Microsoft Word without wasting time editing one by one. This trick is perfect for students, content creators, office workers, and anyone who work with formatted document. So let's get started. You can see here assignment. Now this para is many superscript and subscript here like the 8 or 2 5 etc. Now I want to remove the all superscript and subscript at once. Click and drag on our mouse to select the text, then go to the home menu, then find and select the clear formatting. We can see here the clear all formatting, then click this and we can see we remove the subscript and superscript easily. You can apply this process, make easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.